Hey, what's going on, everybody? Tyrone brand sent me these CR123A batteries for free so I could try them out, show them to you, and let you know what I think. So this is one of the sleeves that it came in. You can see I cracked them open earlier to look at them, but inside the cardboard box here, they come kind of packed, wrapped in plastic, four together. So for my little flashlight that I have, I only need one. So put that one back. And it was really cool because these are kind of an odd size battery, so my flashlight's been sitting around for a while, not being used. So this was kind of right on time for me. Drop that in. Close it up. There we go. So lights on, it actually put out a lot more light than I expected. So obviously, I mean, they're a good battery. I know it's a good brand. They've been really reputable. Obviously they do their job and worth it.